If you're thinking of buying sliding doors for your home, whether inside or out, you will need to decide whether to hang them yourself or get a professional in. If you know how to install sliding doors and can do it yourself, you will save the cost of the contractor, but only if you get it right. The last thing you want is to be paying for someone to come and fix your mistakes. Here are 7 things you need to do if you want to install a sliding door yourself. The first thing to do is prepare your workspace. Make sure you've got the space and equipment you need, and crucially, have someone else on hand to help you. A few of the tools you will need are a drill and drill bits, pencil, ruler, screwdriver, spanner, spirit level, stepladder, tape measure, and screws. Next, you need to check that your door frame is square and that the existing framework is suitable for the doors you want to install. If not, there may be more work that needs to be done before you can get the doors in place. You should check for any specific requirements when it comes to measurement and placement to allow for the proper function of the doors, such as the height needed above the door and floor clearance underneath. Once you're happy that your opening is suitable and the frame is prepared, you can then measure the center of the door opening and mark the frame. Then, measure and mark where the tracks are going to go, pre-drill your holes and attach the door frame on either side of the center point. But please be careful with this step. We think it's always best to refer to an expert for guidance about positioning the sliding door track. You will then need to attach the rollers to the sliding door by measuring and marking where the wheels need to go. When attaching, screw them in place but leave a little loose until the door is on the track so that you can make final adjustments. Grab your happy helper and carefully lift and tilt the door to get the wheels in place on the top track. For external doors, mount the fixed panel first and then the sliding door. Make sure that the wheel sits on the outside bottom track. For internal sliding doors, it's a good idea to screw a door guide to the wall at the base of each door to hold them in place so that they don't wobble, allowing for flooring or carpet underneath if this has not already been laid. Test your doors to make sure that they open and close smoothly. Use a spirit level to check that they are hanging correctly, and for double doors, make sure that they are hanging at the same height and in line with each other. For internal barn doors, install bump stops to the end of each track and at the center where the doors meet to stop the doors rolling too far. Screw these into the pre-drilled holes in the track. You can then finish your doors with hardware such as handles. For external doors, install locking handles, which are often included with the door, and a security screen if you choose. And that's it. Great job if you made it to the end. However, if you are not sure, feel free to come down to a Doors Plus showroom today for a free measure and quote, and have our team of qualified carpenters come and install the door for you, with no fuss at all. Doors Plus, no fuss.